Rooftop package unit, they can get pretty heavy, especially on worn out sheathing. That sheathing below gets water damaged, gets really soft. Then we put another 1,500 pound machine up there and it just vibrates all the time and it settles. So I want to get in the attic and look at this area, but you can tell that ain't even at all. Some yahoo is doing some work out here. Look at this crap. So they put a lock down here, right? So they mounted it with two screws, two very long, very pointy screws. Every time you go to hold this door open, you're cutting your fingers with that. But then the hinges on the top, look at those screws. I just took some hinges off like cabinets on the interior of the home and put them out here, so I can't even open this door more than about 40-50 degrees. I can't move it any more than that. I'm stressing the hinges. If you are not an electrician and you're not licensed to work on this stuff, stay out. They took out all the screws for the dead front cover too, so this is probably one of the most unsafe panels I've been to in a while. Cut myself all over just with those screws. Sometimes you can just tell when it's a flipped home and they don't give a crap. You can't do this. You can't surface mount this outlet. This is meant to be mounted inside of a box. This is not technically how you do it. You know, you're exposing wires and everything to the elements this way. Anybody could reach around that and get electrocuted. No bueno. Alright, so I got up in the attic in the garage, and now I'm going to work my way over. We got to hop up on that little shelf and hustle our way over to where the air conditioner is. Alright, so the air conditioner is right there. We've got to jump down another little thing where this little ledge was only like 12 feet long, so now I got to hop that down. But I'm pretty sure. But you can see the sheathing damage on the right side of that air conditioner right there. That is why that air conditioner is not level. That sheathing is all messed up. And here's a better view of the other side of the HVAC system. Got all this black stuff up here for moisture. Got all sorts of different ducts tied in. Got rigid, insulated, flexible. I'm concerned about that though. Your HVAC system is not level on the roof. We need to replace the sheathing. Make sure that system is supported better. If I would have just had a little more patience, I would have realized there's another attic hatch on this side. But whatever, I gotta work my way back over there. Yeah. Let's go. Just over the hot water side, right? So now that I've ran the hot water for a while, we lost all hot water in all the faucets throughout the house. So there's definitely something clogging the hot water lines. So the hot water isn't working at this place anymore at all. It worked at first, spitting and sputtering, but now we just have cold water. But take a look at this. Take a look at this flip job and how they put this vanity in here. Not only should you not have a flex drain, look at this. Look, they cut the drawer to fit it all. Angle stop right there in that hole. Plumbing trap right here in this hole. Wait, that's not it. Look at that garbage. Like, hey guys, maybe you should call a plumber and do this right. I'm telling you, you're looking at buying a flipped house. Take your flashlight, look down the drain. Tell me what you find. There's always something down there. I don't know what that is. Piece of sheetrock or something. The bottom of that shower drain. Ouch. Yeah, I don't think you were meant to cut that tile that thin. I don't do tile work myself, but I can imagine you cut tile that thin, it's gonna break on you. See, none of our faucets have any hot water now. Just a little dribble. There's something in that hot water line. See, we have no hot water at the shower, but once we push it over to cold, now we're starting to get some water. So here's something I'm having problems with. So see this fancy little shower control here? Well, that controls the shower head and the tub spout. So if you go up, controls the shower head. If it's right here in the middle, it's off. But if you push down, controls the tub spout. We're not having any hot water today. We've got a restriction in the hot water line, so this is all connected to the cold. But what happens if I pull this up? Should just stop it, right? Does that mean that none of this is going to be connected now? You can see the water coming down that flex trap. It's eventually going to cause some clogs. You can tell if hair comes down and runs down that pipe, it's going to catch on every one of those little things. Eventually those things get moldy and gross. So get this flex trap out of here. And we're good. Oh, hey. Somebody used the bathroom?
Mire, Mili, que se usaron el baño.
No.
Somebody just flushed.
Somebody flash?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Somebody flushed. Yep, I got somebody's toilet paper.